So it never fails, never have a project to do around the house. It requires me to get my tools out. It gives me the itch to get back to making stuff. So I take the tools out to work on it. In this case, I had some work to do on my deck. I needed to replace a bunch of boards, and it took me a while. I replaced all the spindles, rails, steps, everything except the joist. So just working a little bit on the weekends and maybe a couple hours here and there after work, it actually took a while. So normally the times that I would be riding was spent working on my deck. Well, of course, what happens is in the process of working on my deck, it gives me the itch to do something else that I really enjoy, which is make stuff. I like to make stuff, so I do some woodworking time to time, just small stuff. Benches, step stools, boxes, just stuff like that. Nothing groundbreaking, that's for sure, but I do enjoy it. So I went straight from working on the deck for several weeks, maybe a month or so in my free time. And then I went right into doing some woodworking. There was a group ride that I could have gone on this morning, but I decided not to. It's actually a beautiful day. I think it's like 70 degrees out here. As you can see, the sun is really shining. It's nice. So today would be a perfect day for a ride. I'm just gonna head back home, maybe watch a little football, watch my Giants lose. When I get back to the house, I'll take a quick video clip of my project that I'm working on right now. It's just a little bench. It's all sanded. It's actually ready for staining. So anyway, if there's still some battery left in the GoPro, when I get back to the house, I'll just keep the tape rolling and do a quick pass over of the bench I'm working on. So at least you guys know I've actually been busy, just not riding.